Look behind you.
It's ready? Okay, good. So point it right over here, because this is where he's going to come. And then Amy will be out to give it a nice treat right up there. Everybody look over there. And you folks in the center, this right-hand section, you're going to get a very close look at Sebastian. Keep your eye on him. Here he comes. The Southern Ground Hornbill. Right there he is. You guys ready? All right. Here he comes. Right over the tops of the heads. Boy, that's a close look. And there you go. Did you get it? No. Well, stand up over here and let's have another shot at him, okay?